If you took a photo at an odd angle or from a skewed perspective, you can edit it right on your Mac. Here's how. In Photos, double-click the photo you'd like to edit. Click Edit in the top right corner. Then click Crop. Now, you can drag the corner of your photo to adjust the crop. Drag the Straighten slider to adjust the angle of the photo. Or drag the Vertical or Horizontal slider to adjust the perspective. When you're finished editing, click Done. Give your photos a new perspective.